This is all about mindfulness. I already see it. It's a pretty color. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so excited. This FabFitFun box. Okay, good job, FabFitFun. Hey guys, BusyMami here again, and this time with my FabFitFun box again. Obviously, you guys know I love these. They're so much fun, and I like sharing them with you guys because it's just fun. As usual, I'll put the code that they send me. This is definitely not sponsored. I pay for this box every month, and I just can't stop because it's so cool. So let's walk through it. So let's see what comes in the fall 2019 box. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. I'm already excited. I'm already excited. Okay, here we go. First, we have a daily hair repair. Okay, guys, you see the purple? That was blonde at one point. My hair is black. So when you go from black to blonde, what happens? Damage. So I'm hoping that this will help. Ooh, and it smells good. So this is an Aveda damage remedy. It says instant visible repair, protects from heat. So I'm excited for that. Maybe it'll help with, obviously using heat tools on my hair. So my hair is also curly. Okay, so this sounds awesome. Humankind Skincare Vegan Cruelty-Free Body Souffle. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. It's a body souffle that quickly absorbs into your skin to feel super moisturized and soft to the touch. That sounds good. So I wonder what smell this is. Oh. It smells good. So I'm excited to try it. I guess I could try a little bit right now because it's body souffle. I'm gonna put it on my new tattoo. Give it a little moisture. It smells super good. Oh, it smells so good. So this smells delicious. All right. Next, I'm really excited about these. I did see these because one thing about FabFitFun is that you can actually customize your box prior to it coming out. So it lets you pick out a few things of the big items that you could switch out to. So I got to pick, and I've kind of always wanted these types of earrings. And the reason why is because they're the ones that crawl up your ears. So I have 2 piercings. Well, I had 3, but it closed up here. And then I have my cartilage piercing up here. I like that this one kind of goes up your ear and it looks like you have a bunch of piercings, which looks really cool. So it's very pretty. These are climbing earrings that go up, and I'm excited to try those. So that's exciting. Okay, next up is Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. Restful and tranquil. So this must be like a de-stress oil. Chamomile sandalwood. Ideal for travel, fits in your purse. Use the roller ball is perfect way for you to enjoy a mindful moment wherever you are. So this is nice. This is all about self-care, which lately I've been super stressed out, so I like that. So I think maybe putting it on your temples maybe. Oh, it smells so good. I'm excited for that too. This is all about mindfulness. I already see it. So far, I'm loving everything I've gotten. This is so cool. Oh, exfoliating sugar cubes. So these are a cube that you take into the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin. Ooh, they smell like melon. Like cantaloupe, kind of. That's pretty cool. So basically you use a scrub and you scrub all the dead skin off. Oh, I'm seeing a nice relaxing day in my future. I'm good job, FabFitFun. This is another thing I got to customize. I picked these. These are detox pads. They're complexion perfecting pads. It's fine, it's fine. I'm just clumsy. So this is gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and the evening to improve your skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. So I think I'll try one of these at the end. Take off my makeup. So I only put stuff on my face when I'm gonna film, but They smell good. They actually kind of remind me of those little pads that you know, like the Clearasil pads that I think I used to use in the 90s. 90s? 2000s? 2000s. Maybe 90s, I don't know. So I'm excited to try those. This is what's got me super excited. This is one of those like towels for wet hair that is smaller than a regular towel. So here's the thing. I have curly hair. I don't know if you know. This is why it's so poofy or has like volume, is because it's curly. So I straighten it, which is why I need the damage control stuff. But one of the things that they say, never dry your hair with a towel. You should use either a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. So I've been sometimes using a t-shirt, but I've been meaning to buy myself a microfiber towel, and this is a microfiber towel that works for your hair. And the nice thing is, it's like, you know, us girls, I feel like every time we shower, or guys with long hair, you have to use like 2 towels, right? You have the one for your body and then the one for your hair, else you're dripping everywhere and it's terrible. So this is like small, that I feel like I could take it with me everywhere, you know, when I go places, but also like I'm gonna be able to use it. So I'm really excited about this. I don't know if it has like, so place button at the nape of the neck, wrap around, twist multiple times. So it's basically like a regular towel. So you like, oh my God, I'm gonna look so stupid, but I'm gonna do it. So you go like this, right? And you put it, oop, wait, I did it wrong. Hold on. Okay, like this. And put the hair, and then you twist it. I'm not gonna do it all the way. And then you wrap it behind your head. I'm not gonna do it all the way, my hair's not wet, and I have more of a video, and I don't want my hair everywhere, but it looks like it's easy, so we'll see. And then the last thing that I got to customize, which makes me so excited, is this. So I have a Time flat iron. I like it. It's good because it works really well to curl my hair. I used to use Hot Tools that had a comb for my flat iron, and now I use the Time iron mostly, but I did just buy the Revlon brush, and I'm gonna link it below because the Revlon brush blow dryer, it's like 40 bucks. It is literally the best thing I've ever had. Anyway, so they had the opportunity for me to get a flat iron, and I think this flat iron is like 100 bucks or something, but it's Amica. Good ones are really hard to come by, and this flat iron goes up to 450 degrees. It's a pretty color, and it's heavy. And so now that I've started using the Time iron, I can actually use a flat iron to curl my hair too. But I'm really excited to try this flat iron and see how it does on this hair. And I'm excited. So this is literally everything in this box I love. Mind you, I did customize some things on here, and I can't really remember what it was. I think it was the microfiber towel, and I think I definitely customized this and picked this. And I know one of the other big things was when you customize your box, you can buy the other things that are there that are one of the things you could choose from for a cheaper price. So normally this is an Anthropologie foldable yoga mat, so that you can like travel with it, you know, put it in your bag and fold it. But it's really pretty, and it was $10 when you add it to your purchase. And this is like a $40 yoga mat, which is really cool. So I'm excited about trying this yoga mat with really good grips. But this whole kit is actually really cool this time. I have everything, literally like everything. So I'm really excited to try this flat iron. I'm really excited to try the towel. Almost wish I didn't wash my hair today because I don't wash it every day. And I am excited to keep trying this stuff. It smells so good. Deep relaxation. Anyway, that's it for the FabFitFun box. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you picked. Let me know if you liked any of these things, and I guess I should try to take some of this makeup off. So let's try this thing. Mm-hmm.